Hello everyone. So our next program is to read randomly any word from the given file. So first of all, we are using import and random is our inbuilt module. Then we are writing one variable lines equal to and we are opening one file wish.txt. We are opening it in the read from read mode because we know that by default it will be read mode only. So if we don't write, still it is a reading mode only. Then using dot operator, we are using or calling one method which is read function, and then again dot, and we are calling like a split lines function. It means it will split the lines based on the space, and our answer will get stored in the lines. So if you want to check what actually we have stored in lines, then you can write print lines. Okay, and then randomly if you want to select any one, then you can use random.choice. So first of all, we will remove this line, control X, control S and F1. So this is what we have stored in this lines. Welcome to Python world. Now out of this, if you are interested in random word, then we can write random.choice and variable name. Right now it is printing welcome. Next time suppose next time suppose world, next time suppose day. It will print any random word from the given list of words. So this is possible using random inbuilt module as well as the file handling concept. Thank you everyone.